So if you want to change this background color, first you need to go to the page, whatever you want to add it, then click add it with Elementor.
Mm-hmm. Like this is stuff, honestly, Usama, that should this is where we said double check everything. It's from the template.
Okay, so once you add it with Elementor, you will see this editable page. Once you see like this, click these 6 dots, edit section, go to
Okay.
style, and then remove this background image that you have already. There you go. You have your default color, which you can also change it from here to any other color. Let me show you like this, or maybe
Oh,
like
okay. Okay.
this, right?
So
Any
so that
color.
blue was the template on top of our palette. And we just had to
Yeah,
remove
I just
whatever
make
the
it like the global colors to set it to your
okay.
brand colors, right? And then some other colors as well. So then hit the publish to save changes.
And then
All
just hit
right,
publish.
so
Okay.
if you want to edit this text or any other text, you can click and change it from here and then
Perfect.
click publish. For
Okay.
example, if you want to edit this text again, click this pencil icon and then click
And it's
here
just
and
over on the
change it,
left.
right? And again, to make the page, let me show you. Again, changing
Yep.
image will be the same, but you just need to click here to choose a different image and then go to your
Okay.
library or maybe upload an image, then select file and then choose, required file,
Yeah. Yeah.
click
Yep. Yep.
select.
That's just like Squarespace. Yep.
Yeah,
That's just like Squarespace. You
it's
just
simple.
upload the pictures.
Again, for the text here, right? And all right, for the buttons, you can click here. You can change their wording of the buttons, right? Text here and place any link here that you want to. All
Well, it
right.
looks a lot like, to be honest, it looks a lot like the Squarespace version as well. So it sounds like Elementor's.
If you are looking at this, I would say this is called the border, right? If you click here on the video, you see
Okay.
two of the corners, the
Link.
lower right corner and the upper left corner are round, and two of them I left them as just like sharp as they are. Just go to style, maybe advanced. Yeah, there you will see the border, right? You see the
Wait a second. Can you go back to the border again?
simply just go to
Find border.
advanced, right?
Oh, in advanced. Okay.
And then you can
So it's
click border,
all, so let
right?
me, if I may ask you a question. So it's all the same element. So it's the same element basically. Within the element, there's multiple pieces. I don't have to work. Okay.
Sorry,
I get it.
I don't get your question. So you already get it?
Yeah, yeah. I'm basically saying again, they don't. Yeah, I don't know how to explain. They don't function as separate things that you have to change. It's all within one place. So it's edit video. That background border is actually part of the video. It's not its own.
Actually, the
Yeah, I don't know
part of
how to
video,
explain.
yeah, you see this color, we can change this color to anyone, or maybe we can
Okay.
remove it, or maybe we can make the bottoms less sharp, you see,
Yep.
the,
Okay.
or maybe
So that's all
more
part
wrap.
of the video. Got
Yeah,
it.
all depends what you want to do, right? You can,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to change the content, just click the link of the YouTube here and then place it and then click the publish button. It will change the
Okay.
video. Again, you can just see the options to autoplay, mute the video or loop it, show player control or not, right? And then privacy mode. It will also, I think, give you more control over your videos for the YouTube and Vimeo, right?
Okay.
All right, so you can also explore other options. Every option you click, you can add an image overlay over the video, like a thumbnail, right? If you have one, you
Hmm.
can remove it. If you don't want to, it will show the default one from your YouTube channel. All right.
Oh, so you could so that might be where you could put a picture in or something, and then when you hit play, it jumps to the
Yes,
video.
exactly. If you really want to add a button anywhere on the page or anything, all right, you can click this plus icon you can add a heading by dragging it. For example, if you want to add a heading above this, underneath this, right? Or maybe anywhere, just place
Yeah.
it there and then change the text. You can just simply click the right click and delete it.
That's a lot like Squarespace. Okay.
All right. And then drag the button anywhere, right?
Yeah.
And then you can make it smaller, medium, large, whatever the size you want it. You can change its colors from the style. You can
Oh,
place,
wow.
yeah, if you
This is so much like Squarespace. We lost your voice, but that's okay. I'm watching. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't know if I want buttons pulsing in my face, but it's kind of fun. Horizontal color. I don't know what he's doing there. Oh, it's the box shadow. Okay. Usama, just so you know, your audio. I don't know if you saw the chat window, but we can't hear you. When he does videos, it constantly.
can you hear me? Hello.
Now we can. Yep. Now
Sorry
I
about
can.
the delay. You want to add a margin anywhere? If you see, it's by default adding to every single side and shrinking the button, but you don't want to do that, right? You want to just
Okay.
add on one side, click this unlink, and then you just need to add it on the left side. So it will be moved to the little bit right? Depending on your design needs,
Gotcha. Okay.
right? And then you can also add the padding, self-align, a lot of options to explore, definitely. You can spend more time. You can add a custom CSS if you want to. You can add more attributes and then all the other options that you can see, right? And then hit the publish button. Again, you don't want to keep